Myself, Kalpesh Soni. It was wonderful experience with us with XCon as usual. This is a great show, and this is a good platform to showcase our equipment, our technology, our innovation, and to meet the customer and make the further healthy relation with all the customers. In XCon, we have displayed total 14 equipments. Out of that, 5 equipments we have launched. We have three self-loading mixer we have launched in this series. We have entire total 6 variants we have introduced in this XCon show. We have further launched wheel loader, hydrostatic wheel loader. We have also launched soil compactor also. So that is also we have displayed our batching plant, 60 cubic meter batching plant. That is a great show for us. Definitely, XCon will always push the industry's growth because this is good Asia's third numbers exhibition. So footfall is always good because we can understand the customer expectation, also customer requirements. Also, accordingly, we try to always meet their requirement and expectation, do the technology innovation, and this by this platform we understand the customer requirement and we try our all best to satisfy the customer requirement and to generate the business inquiries and all that.